Hours after Israel targeted its nuclear sites, Iran launched a wave of ballistic missiles in response.
As Fox News correspondent Connor Hansen explains, it comes as President Trump tries to get Iran back to the negotiating table.
The Israeli military has been shooting down targets in the sky. The government says Iran has now crossed a red line by targeting civilian population centers like Tel Aviv. Smoke rising over Tel Aviv as Iran launches a deadly barrage of missiles towards Israel. Rescue crews now searching for survivors in the rubble. Israeli officials say the country's defense systems intercepted some of the threats. Senior U.S. officials tell Fox News American forces also assisted.
Our absolute foremost priority is the protection of U.S. citizens, personnel, and forces in the region.
The attack comes as Israeli forces continue to strike Iran's nuclear and military sites. After months of failed negotiations, President Trump spoke with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Friday. He says he would like Iran to come back to the negotiating table, though several top commanders representing Tehran in the talks were killed in Israeli strikes overnight.
Donald Trump didn't believe that a military strike was the right option. He, in fact, told the world that he had told Netanyahu to wait, to give him time for diplomacy.
Still, the prime minister defended the operation in a message to the Iranian people.
The objective of Israel's military operation is to remove this threat, both the nuclear threat and the ballistic missile threat to Israel.
Netanyahu has also made a direct appeal to the people of Iran. He says now is their chance at freedom from the Islamic regime. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox 13 News.
The black box has been recovered from the Air India plane at the center of one of the deadliest aviation disasters in history.
More than 240 people are dead after a Boeing 787 crash just after takeoff on Thursday. There was one survivor, a 40-year-old London resident who literally walked away after the crash with almost no injuries.
For a while, I thought I am also going to die, and when I opened my eyes, I felt alive. So I tried to remove the seatbelt, and I was able to get away from there.
Officials still don't know what caused the crash. Video shows the plane taking off normally before dipping down to the ground, then exploding in a massive fireball. Most experts say it's unlikely there was a problem with the plane itself, and they're looking at other factors. Investigators from the FAA and NTSB are now assisting Indian officials on the ground.